I'm Amna, and today I'm discussing about Frase AI and Synthesia AI. Frase AI. It is an AI-powered content creation and optimization tool that significantly enhances the e-commerce operations. Here are its key functionalities and features. AI-powered content generation. Frase AI utilizes the advanced AI technologies to generate the high-quality content tailored for e-commerce platforms. This is particularly useful for creating the detailed and engaging product descriptions, blog posts, and marketing content. Comprehensive catalog management. It offers robust tools to manage your product catalog effectively, aiding in the organization and presentation of products. Bulk content creation. The ability to generate the large volumes of content quickly is crucial for scaling the marketing efforts and keeping your website's content fresh and relevant. Seamless integration. Frase AI integrates with various e-commerce tools and platforms such as BigCommerce, Shopify, and Amazon, which streamlines content management and marketing processes. Efficient workflow management. The tool is optimized for e-commerce copywriting, streamlining workflows, and boosting productivity. Collaborative features. It allows for task assignment and content approval among the team members, fostering the better collaboration. Brand consistency ensures the consistent messaging across all products and marketing materials. SEO and data optimization provides tools for SEO optimization and data analytics to help make informed marketing decisions. For e-commerce success, Frase AI can be used to create the compelling and SEO optimized content that attracts and engages the customers, manage the product descriptions efficiently, and maintain the brand consistency across all marketing channels. Its integration with the major e-commerce platforms and ability to produce the content make it an invaluable tool for e-commerce businesses looking to enhance their content strategy and online presence. Synthesia AI. Synthesia AI is an innovative technology platform that specializes in creating the AI-generated videos. It leverages the artificial intelligence to produce videos without the need for traditional filming, using the virtual avatars and advanced language processing. Here are its key features and functionalities. AI-driven video production. Synthesia can create videos with AI avatars, which eliminates the need for camera equipment, studios, or on-screen talent. Customizable avatars and voices offers a range of virtual avatars and voices to choose from, allowing for diverse and inclusive representation in the videos. Text-to-video technology. Videos can be generated by simply inputting text, which the AI then converts into a spoken video by a chosen avatar. Multilingual capabilities supports a variety of languages, making it possible to create videos in multiple languages without needing multilingual speakers. Integration with existing content can integrate with other digital assets and presentations, enhancing the overall quality and message of the video content. For e-commerce success, Synthesia AI can be utilized in various ways. Product demos and explainers. Create high-quality product demonstrations or explainer videos that showcase the features and benefits of products. Marketing and advertising campaigns. Develop engaging and innovative video content for marketing campaigns without the high cost typically associated with the video production. Customer service and training. Produce instructional and training videos for both customers and employees, enhancing the understanding and efficiency. Personalized video messages. Generate personalized videos for customer engagement, such as welcoming new customers or providing the tailored product recommendations. By using Synthesia AI, e-commerce businesses can save on video production costs, create content rapidly, and engage with a global audience in multiple languages, potentially increasing reach and improving customer experience. Thanks for watching and the support. Kindly share our channel and videos, like and ask questions in the comment section for our questions and answer sessions.